15 World Cup medalists. Well, where does this sit for you?
Oh, this is huge. To be the first Australian team to be able to do it. I'm so proud of the way the guys went about it the whole campaign. They were brilliant from the start, and yeah, so proud.
With a team like yours, belief would always have been there, but was it rekindled after the Bangladesh game?
Yeah, it certainly was. We knew our backs were against the wall, and I think if you keep putting people's backs against the wall enough, you're going to fight, and we certainly did that. We had some great individual performances, we had some great team performances, and yeah, it was fantastic.
You backed your teammates a lot. Tell us specifically about your opening partner, David Warner.
Oh, it was outstanding, and I can't believe that people wrote him off a couple of weeks ago saying that he was done. That's when he plays his best cricket, so it was almost like poking the bear. He was outstanding.
Adam Zampa, what a tournament he had.
What a tournament. Player of the tournament for mine. Someone who controlled the innings so well for us, got big wickets. Yeah, super player.
I guess with so many players, I could ask you about all of them, but tell me a little bit about the three players who won you the game. Mitch Marsh today, Matthew Wade, he bats wherever you ask him to, Marcus Stoinis.
Mitch Marsh, what a way to start his innings today. I think he came out and put so much pressure on New Zealand from the very start. He was outstanding. Matty Wade come into this game under a bit of an injury cloud, but got the job done, and did a superb job throughout, especially in that semi-final, and Marcus Stoinis just did the business.
I've got so much to ask you, but I've got an eye on all your teammates waiting over there. Go across, Aaron Finch.
Thank you, mate.
It's all yours. Aaron Finch, the winning captain.